Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take burst of photos on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to take burst of photos, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your camera app, and here you will get photo mode. Here you must have to scroll down, you can shuttle button just like that, and you can easily take first photo just like that. You can see the counter is continuously running. When you have stopped, you can see that most photos have been taken. You can easily check for the one which you want. So after that, if this setting is not working on your phone, you must have to go for the camera settings, and here just tap on swipe shutter down button, and here you must have to select take burst shot, and I have already selected. So if you have selected any other feature, you must have to select take burst shot. So after that, you can easily take burst shot on your any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.